On this short quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat common problems. First thing, open the settings, open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps. Scroll until you find Snapchat and then click on it. And now click on this force stop option and then go to the storage. Click on it. Click on clear data, clear cache, and then click on the data usage here. Make sure to enable all these options from the mobile data to the roaming data. Go back, click on the power usage details, click on app launch. Make sure to enable all these options. Click OK. Go back to the settings, click on wireless add networks. Enable the airplane mode for 3 seconds or 5 seconds and then disable it. And the last thing you want to do now is make sure to update your Snapchat. If the problem is not solved yet, then you may have to remove Snapchat and re-download it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.